Lexus UX. Now, these cars come with quite a large, oversized mounting box, not very suitable for Australian plates, so I'm going to show you how to replace this with something a bit smaller, like this. Let's get into it. Installation is quite simple, so you get presented with two options. This is what we call a long, they're a little bit wider, perfect for slimline plates. We've also got a little mini one, and they're great for small plates, which we'll get into a bit later. But the theory is, take everything off, these go into the grill, bolts go in, bracket, and then plates, and then you're done. So I'll show you how to get that. So first thing is to take everything off the car by taking out all the screws that you see in front and behind, and this will come in. So in the kit, there's two sizes. You've got the two little ones. Now this is perfect if you have slimline plates. So how they work is these just go back into the same factory hole, and then you can put your bracket on. Now the problem is if you have a small plate like this, obviously they're too far apart. That's when you'll need this little one. They locate in the middle instead, which is the perfect size for small plates. But you will need to make two new holes so you can secure the smaller plinth. So on this car, we're going to install regular slims. So I've got a right side and a left side, which is sort of engraved on the back there. They go in the factory hole, and then we'll move on to the bracket. When you're installing the small one, because we're not using the factory holes, installation is quite easy. All you got to do is grab a little texter, mark out the holes, take it off temporarily, find a really small drill bit, drill out the holes, and then you can put your screw in through the plinth, and it'll stay there. Because we're working out the wider ones, just use a screw, put it straight in the hole. You're ready to go. Now that we have the plinth on, it's time to pair it up with a number plate bracket. Now this is a two-part mounting solution, so plinth plus bracket. You need to choose the correct one that matches your number plate style. So for example, if you're going to install Euro plates, grab yourself a Euro bracket. On this car today, we're putting on Victorian slimlines. So I've got a slimline bracket here, which will bolt straight to the car, and then the plates will bolt up in the corners, and you're done. Now for the last step, you will notice there's a little square hole left behind. So we've made a little clip that goes right in there, so it's less noticeable. Like that. And there you have it. We've gone from big and bulky to nice and clean on the UX. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.